Hi everyone, I'm Veer Mahajan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly multiply 3-digit numbers. So if you haven't already, make sure to watch my video about how to easily and quickly multiply 2-digit numbers, because these two tricks are very similar, and so if you know one, it will be much easier to understand the other. So first, let's just say, I'm going to start with an example because that's just the easiest way. So let's say you have 123, so 123 times 4, 5, 6. To do this trick, you need to have a piece of paper, by the way. You can't do it in your head mentally, or it's really hard to do it. You have to memorize a lot of numbers. And so the first thing to do is to multiply the first digit of the first number on the first digit of the second number. And you multiply 1 and 4 because the first digit of the first number, 123, is 1. Over here, it's 4. So you multiply them and you get 4. And now when you get your answer for each of these little boxes or sections, make sure you put 2 digits there, okay? So you have 4 here, right? So to make that a two-digit number, you just put a 0 in front. So it has the same value, but now you've used 2 digits. It's 0, 4. Now, for the next section, you need to multiply, and I think this is an easy way to remember it. Just think of an x. So you multiply it like this, like an x. 4 and 2, 1 and 5. And then you add them up. When you multiply 4 and 2, the first digit of the second number and the second digit of the first number, it's just easy to remember with an x. You get 8. And over here, when you multiply 1 and 5, you get 5. Add them up and you get 13. So put 13 in there. Now this one is probably the hardest one to remember, because what you need to do for your middle box is multiply the first digit of the second number and the last digit of the first number, so like this, and then multiply it the opposite, so the first digit of the first number and the last digit of the second number, like this, and you add those up, and then you also add the product of the middle numbers, 2 and 5. So this one is pretty hard to remember, but again, these shapes, these are very easy to remember, and so you can just draw this out whenever you want, and it will be much easier. So now you multiply 1 and 6 because of this line, so 1 to 6, that's 6, 4 and 3, 12, that's 18, then 2 and 5, that's 10, you add them all up, you got 28. Right, because 6 times 1, that's 6, this is 12, and that's 10, 6 plus 12, that's 18, and plus 10, that's 28. Now you just copy this the other way. You've already got a straight line multiplying these two, this x and this shape, and now you draw another x and this. For the other x, you multiply 6 and 2 and 5 and 3. So you get 6 and 2, that's 12, 5 and 3, that's 15. In total you got 27. And now again you do this, and for your last box now you multiply 6 and 3 and you get 18. And now that you have your numbers here, like in the first video, so make sure you watch that after this, you just put the last digit down here, 8, you add these two up, you get another 8, you add these two up, you get 10. So you put a 0 here, and you carry the 1 over into the next two. So you add these up, and you also have that extra 1 carried over, so you get 3 plus 2 plus that 1, you get 6, and you add these two up, 5, and you have whatever digit you had over there. In this case it's a 0, you just put that in front, and you have 0, 5, 6, 0, 8, 8. The 0 doesn't need to be there, so you can just quickly remove that, and this is your answer. And you can check this on a calculator if you want.